I know a lot of you guys will be sad right now with the news of Adobe acquiring Figma. It's I've been in the internet for some time now about their acquisition, and we are aware that Figma was acquired by Adobe for a sum of $20 billion. That's a lot of money. But in this video, I want to share my thoughts about Figma remaining free or will the price of Figma go up, because we all know that Adobe products are costly and you pay a monthly subscription. So my name is Hyginus Ukeh and the channel is building amazing things. In this channel I talk about UI designs and I create some good designs to help starters to understand what UI design is and grow in product design. So if you like what you're hearing, subscribe and stick to this channel. I'll be bringing out videos every week concerning product design. So here's my thought about Figma being acquired by Adobe. The essence of Adobe acquiring Figma, on their press release, they stated that they want to learn from Figma. You know, Figma has been a leading name when it comes to product design. It helps product designers and UI designers build product from conception. So Figma Jam helps you to bring out your ideas and collaborate with teams, and when you then go to design, then from design to actually shipping out those products when working with developers. So Figma is such a great tool. So what I think Adobe wants to do is want to leverage on the expertise of Figma. Figma has been an application that works on the web browser, and this is one of the interesting part Adobe is looking at. They also want in the future their products to also be on the web browser. The web browser encourages collaborations for team and for people who want to collaborate, like tools like, let's say, tools like Google Meet. They encourage collaborations on the web browser. So Adobe is looking at learning from the expertise of Figma and as well improving on their tools. You know, we know Adobe for imagery, photography, video, illustration, font, and the rest of that. And Figma is going to gain in this collaboration. How Figma is going to learn from what Adobe have done. We had the press release saying that Figma is going to incorporate some of this creativeness which Adobe has and produced through their video imagery, fonts, and the rest of that. So Figma is going to pick up some of this expertise from Adobe. So it's a win-win thing for both parties. They're going to leverage on their expertise for what they are doing, what they're best in, and I think is a good collaboration. Now, for the fact whether Figma will remain free, based on the agreement they had, the contract agreement, it shows that Adobe will allow Figma to work autonomously, and that means Figma will be managed by Dylan, which is the CEO, and Dylan has come out to say that, oh, everybody working on Figma will report to him, and then he reports to Adobe Boss. So I still think Figma is on full control by Dylan, but let's see how this unravel over the years. But I think Figma will still remain free because Dylan has said, oh, he's still going to keep the educators plan and he's still going to keep the creative plan free for us to keep learning and using Figma. Figma has over time built such a great community because of the free package they have for educators and creators. So people easily just jump on Figma because it is free. So if you think Figma will remain free, let me know in the comment section. Tell me what you think about this collaboration. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not subscribed to this channel, and see you in the next video. Bye for now.